Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Spigen AirTag and non-AirTag wallets. Now, you can pick these up from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price for each of these, $36.99. I repeat, $36.99. All right, so let's start off with the AirTag wallet. Let's go through the features. Now, this has RFID blocking protection that prevents even the most powerful RFID chip readers from scanning your card. You got integrated nylon elastic cash straps with circular silicone pads inside to keep your money intact. You got a detachable PC cover compatible with inserting your AirTags inside the wallet. Holds up to 12 different cards without stretching, boasting a very slim and sturdy design. Ultralight carry for both men and women to put in your pockets, backpacks, and purses. And fellas, if you wear man purses, you can put them in your purse too. Now, on a side note, I read that directly from Amazon, but I added the man purse part. Look, do your thing. I don't judge y'all. All right, here we go. First things first, shout out to White Shoes. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all see she's at her other job. All right, here we go. Spigen AirTag wallet. Let's see, did I miss anything? RFID blocking. You got a cash strap. Okay. Let's see, card push hole and RFID blocking. Now, if you don't know what RFID blocking is, that's those people, like shout out to the Scamly, those scammers that walk around with those chip readers. If you don't have RFID blocking on your wallet, they can scan your credit card right in your pocket. All right, so this is a good look right here. $37 on this one. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, now on a side note, a lot of y'all seen my other AirTag wallet with the push cards. This one is pretty dope, but a lot of y'all don't like leather wallets because if you don't take care of them, they're going to look like trash. Now, I do take care of my stuff, so it still looks pretty much new. But some of y'all don't like the leather, so this is a good option. Okay, Spigen AirTag wallet. Now, this one is also a lot thinner and a lot lighter, and it's never going to get beat up like this one. Let's see, you do have a slot for your AirTag. Let's see, I'm assuming that you just pop this right out like that. Okay, let's grab an AirTag and slap it in there. Okay, slap a nice AirTag right there. Lock everything back into place. And just like that. Now, one thing I want to mention about AirTag wallets, they're not for security, they're for convenience. If you drop your wallet and somebody picks it up, that's not guaranteeing that you're going to get your stuff back. This is really for convenience. This is for if you leave your wallet in your car, you leave it in a hotel and you check out somewhere, you just misplace it. This is for convenience. You'll never be able to walk out of the house and not know where your wallet is at. So you got a little strap on the back. Let's see. Now, I'm assuming this is for the cash. All right, cash rules everything around me. All right, let me not start today. All right, there's the cash in there. Now, let's see. How do we get the cards in there? Okay, it looks like, this just opens up just like that. Let me drop some cards in here. Let me see what I got. Now, it says up to 12 cards. So I'm going to just go ahead and slap all of my cards that I got on deck right in here. Bam, just like that. Okay, here it is. Now, when you want to get a card out, okay, easy, just push the button like that. Not a button, but you're really just pushing the card. All right, so say I want to get to my business card. Pop it right out just like that. Scan it on somebody's phone. Drop it back in there. Okay, now let's do the shake test on this. Yeah, the cards are not coming out, and this is pretty wide, giggity. So I could see easily dropping way more cards in here. I just got like about, let me see how many I got in here right now. Let's do that little push again. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I got 7 cards in here right now. Actually, let me just grab, now if you got an iPhone, y'all remember this wallet? This is the one I use to when I'm going out places and I don't need any money. Just got my driver's license right in the back of the phone. We'll slap the driver's license in here. Let's try that again. Okay, so open from one side, drop all your cards in here, just like that. Now, this is way more slimmer than this one. Let's try the AirTag test. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it over to Find My. Let's go to Devices. Let's see. Okay, so you see I got Flossy's wallet. I'm trying to block out my information. Okay, Flossy's wallet. I just showed it. I'm gonna have to edit that out. All right, let's hit play sound. Okay, so now if I'm in the house and I drop my wallet behind the couch, all I gotta do is hit play sound. Just like that. Now, of course, the AirTag is sold separately. Let me stop that sound. Okay, so this is the AirTag wallet. Nice and sturdy. I like this one. Now, let's take a look at the non-AirTag version real quick. Okay. Now, same thing, but if you maybe you got a Android phone and you're about that AirTag life. Okay, now look at this one. This one looks dope. This one has that brushed aluminum look to it. Same thing on the back. Let's go ahead and pop all the cards out. I know, y'all. I gotta be careful, man. Y'all pinch and zoom boys, the pause boys. Okay, let's see. Now now this should work exactly the same. So you just insert your cards in. Okay, nice tight fit. I usually walk around. Let's see how much is this. I usually walk around with $1, about 80, about $80 real quick. Drop a quick 80 on there and rock out just like this. Now this one is nice. This one has that cold aluminum feel to it. It's probably polycarbonate material, but it is what it is. I like it though. I like it. I like the little money strap on the back. Let's see if you drop it. Your cards ain't gonna come plopping out. And when you want to get to the cards, okay, when I get in the store, just slap it out right there. Bong, charge it to the game. Slap it back in. There it is. Okay, so this is the Spigen AirTag wallet case and non-AirTag wallet case. Both of these, $36.99. So if you got an Android phone, go with this one. But if you got an iPhone, it's a no-brainer. Go with this one. Get an AirTag. This way you'll never lose your wallet. And if somebody does find it, let's try that with an let's get a Galaxy phone real quick. If somebody does find your wallet and they're not a complete savage, all you have to do is scan it. Let's see. Now this does work with Android phones also. Let me make sure my NFC is on. All right, my bad. I forgot you got to scan the white side of the AirTag. So say you lose your wallet and somebody finds it. Doesn't matter what kind of phone they have. If they're not a complete douchebag, all they got to do is pop out the AirTag. They can pull out their Android phone or their iPhone, scan the tag. Okay. And just like that, there's the AirTag. Information pops up. All right, so this is the Spigen AirTag wallet, non-AirTag wallet. $36.99 on a scale of 1 to 10. These are major go. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat points allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.